You looking nice? Okay. Perfect. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel. What?
What? Okay, try again.
Okay, that was a little weird. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys! Welcome to MK Crafts. I'm Madison.
And I'm Kayla.
And today we're doing a Valentine's slime challenge.
Woo!
So we'll see who can make the best Valentine's slime.
Because Valentine's Day is coming up. When you guys see this, it'll be Wednesday, so Valentine's Day will be in 2 days. So comment down below if you have Valentine's Day plans, even if it's just with your friends.
Or if you have like a boyfriend or girlfriend for this Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Kayla does, I do not.
But
now.
For now, ooh, Madison's got some things to tell.
Okay, ready to start it?
Okay.
Let's go!
Okay, you go first.
So do you have any plans for this video?
Our plans? I really wanted to make it like a light pinky color slime. We don't really have, maybe I'll just do like one squirt of this. What colors are these? Are you gonna use any of them?
I'm not really sure.
Because I would like to use the pink.
I might make like a, I'm not really sure.
Oh, what?
I'm not really sure yet.
I'm going to make, just gonna make a very Valentine's Day slime.
Okay, I'm gonna add some cute hearts in it.
Oh wow, you're going straight for it.
Gotta get some cute hearts.
Oh, I think this is leaking. That's where it got from. Okay.
It's boring.
So this is, there's a crack that's coming out of, by the way.
Get out of there. You don't belong there, friend. That's not allowed. Okay, so I have pink and red hearts. I'm gonna add some purple glitter to it just to give it some pizzazz.
Ooh, there you
Not
go.
too much of this cap is all blue. I'm gonna add a couple of each color. Pink.
Very cute. Very
2
cute.
squirts. And then silver.
You're gonna do some gold
Actually, I'm gonna
too?
do this whole thing of silver.
Oh, okay. I probably won't use very much of this. You're gonna use some more pink. Might use a little red. There's some more in here if you want to use it.
Okay. I'll mix it up and see how this sticks. Now I'm a little red food coloring.
Just want a little. Here's the food coloring. Comes out that crack, so you can just squirt it out the crack. Add a little red.
You squirt out the crack. Okay.
Squirt it a lot.
There we go. Stick some fluorescent in it.
Use some of this glitter.
The curtain's not here out of the color, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna add some more of these. They look really cute.
There's a glittery red slime, which is what
That's
I
nice.
wanted. Now, I think I want to add some of these. These are confetti hearts. They're like all different shapes of hearts.
Don't.
No, this one's gonna have a
This
bunch.
one's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
By the way, I call top bunk. Everybody has to go to sleep.
You want to sleep in here on the top one?
Yes, I mean all of them. That's fine.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's a good
I
place
mean,
to sleep.
like what's in here? Yeah, and I sleep.
You sleep on the
I call
bed?
top. So she said I call top. You said no, and that's already called top.
Okay, I got you. Madison already called the top bunk. Madison, Samantha, you see that when you watch our videos? Because you better watch our videos.
You call shotgun time grandma's car. I call top bunk for the first ever. Because like
Okay, I'm gonna open this with my slimy
my
hand.
arms are burning.
This also smells very nice. So you want to smell it? Oops.
Wow.
I just dropped the lotion.
That smells nice. Woo!
What would you like? Are you gonna be done?
Activator. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Look at yours. It's like a bubblegummy Barbie pink, and mine's like
It's
a
like red Starburst pink.
yeah, it is red, pink Starburst pink. This is pink Starburst.
That's like red Starburst.
No, red is like
So
red.
this is pink Starburst.
That's pink Starburst pink. Well, this is
Red
like
is
this
not
is like
red.
Barbie pink, and yours is like bubblegum Starburst pink.
Starburst pink.
But this is not Starburst red. Red is really red.
I'll show you a Starburst red.
I'll show you one.
We will compare them. They are the same.
No, they are darker. Like more,
No.
not that dark, but they're dark.
They're not. They're like that.
They're like this red.
No.
Yes. They're this. They are not this pink.
They are.
No.
Yeah.
Madison, I think you're colorblind. This is like that color pink. They're not that
No,
color
that's
pink.
like purple.
No, that's purple. That's pink.
And I think magenta purple.
I guess. This is purple though. And I actually think this purple is different than this. This is like a periwinkle and that's a purple.
Like, yeah, like a gray periwinkle.
So they
that's they did like all their
different
colors. Like they had some fun.
Yeah, they went out.
They were like, ooh, let's just like completely demolish
and ruin this room.
Make it Tinkerbell. So whoever buys this will have to paint it and scrub all popcorn off the ceiling.
We should have asked them to paint the rooms. That should have been.
He's like, do you buy the house? Paint the ceilings!
Yeah. Anyways, guys, okay, so here's our slimes, and they literally are almost identical.
But they look so similar.
Mine's like a little bit more, I can't even tell the difference, honestly.
Yeah, like you like such a like the knife.
No, except for the confetti.
Slimes.
Okay, yeah. Ooh, this is nice. Oops.
Oh, yours feels like lotion.
Really? Yeah, mine feels really lotiony. Yours feels more slime still. But yours doesn't have any strings in it, really.
Yeah, yours feels like good enough strings.
Mine's like very lotiony, but still stringy. Yours doesn't have any strings in it anymore.
Can we mix them together?
Yeah, let's mix them. Okay, ready, guys? Mixing time.
Mixing time.
Oh, yours is cold though.
Yeah, yours is warm.
Oh my gosh, they literally look identical.
You legit can't tell the difference.
Can't even tell the difference.
It's kind of like candy or something. I don't know.
It looks like Laffy Taffy type stuff.
Nice.
Ooh, that's nice.
Now, they make the best texture together.
Yeah, they're good. Wow, this is nice.
Woo! Oh, goodness.
Ooh, I flicked this piece on your arm. These make good slime. This is one of our best slimes we made in a while.
Yeah, this is like really good. Much better than last week's.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Those are not that great.
We didn't have lotion or anything to help fix the slime.
Help the death.
The death of the slime.
They die.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Anyways, guys, happy Valentine's Day. We hope that you can do something, even if it's just with your family or friends. Galentine's Day is fun, or Guyentine's Day. I made that up. I don't know what it is for guys. Valentine's Day. Yeah, that's good.
I have no idea. But yeah.
Yeah.
Let's still play girls.
What?
I'm not gonna play.
Yeah. But Galentine's Day, family, something's going with your family because you love your family.
Valentine's Day.
Your boyfriend, your girlfriend. My doggies.
Your dogs. Your cat.
Why'd you that like?
Your cat.
Anyways, I think we're getting a little delirious.
It's been a long day filming, okay?
Well, no, not really. It could have been longer if we would have filmed what video we were planning on filming.
But now we come out next week.
But now we have a better schedule, so don't worry. We have
we'll play a nice video this next week.
Yeah, we have a good video coming next week.
A really good video. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys. Oh, that was mistake.
Anyways, okay.
We hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the push bell so you can know when we get a new video.
We love you guys so much.
If you're still here, comment down below. Hashtag
Guyentine's Day. Thanks.
Bye, guys.
Bye.